Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best rolling sharpener is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any kitchen, transforming dull blades into precision instruments capable of slicing through tomatoes with ease and dicing onions without tears. Imagine the satisfaction of effortlessly gliding your knife through your ingredients, making meal preparation not just efficient but genuinely enjoyable. This isn't just about sharpness, it's about safety, precision, and unlocking the full potential of your culinary creations, ensuring every cut is clean, consistent, and controlled, elevating your cooking experience from mundane to magnificent. Number 5. KitchenIQ 50009 Edge Grip 2-Stage Knife Sharpener. Introducing the Edge Grip 2-Stage Knife Sharpener. It features both coarse and fine sharpening stages to bring your knives back to life. Its innovative edge grip design allows you to place it on the edge of your counter, preventing knife tips from damaging surfaces. This sharpener is compact and easy to store, fitting perfectly into any kitchen drawer. It's ideal for those with limited space. With preset angles and a non-slip base, it ensures safe and sturdy sharpening every time. Just place it and sharpen. This makes a great housewarming gift. It's perfect for keeping both straight and serrated knives sharp, avoiding the frustration of dull blades. What we like? This sharpener features a unique edge grip design, allowing you to place it on the edge of your counter. It's also incredibly compact, making storage a breeze. If you have limited counter space or often find yourself needing to sharpen knives without a stable surface, this is a fantastic option. What people say? The sharpener is very easy to use and produces a razor-sharp edge on knives. It is well built and feels sturdy in hand, making the sharpening process feel secure. The adjustable angle feature allows for precise sharpening of different types of blades. Number 4. SHARPAL 191H Knife and Scissors Sharpener. Introducing the SHARPAL 191H, the ultimate tool designed to repair, restore, and sharpen all your blades. It's perfect for straight, serrated, and kitchen knives, making it a versatile addition to any home. This sharpener features a 3-stage system for all your sharpening needs. It includes tungsten carbide for edge setting, ceramic for honing, and a special blade for scissors, ensuring a perfect finish every time. Experience superior safety and stability with its enhanced suction base, offering twice the holding power of other sharpeners. It stays securely in place while you work. Its user-friendly design makes sharpening easy and safe for everyone. Simply activate the suction base on a smooth surface and press the switch. No hands needed to hold it. This compact sharpener is designed to save space in your kitchen while delivering powerful performance. It's easy to store and always ready when you need it. Backed by SHARPAL's 3-year commitment and superior after-sales service, this tool is rigorously tested for top performance and durability. Enjoy easy and effective sharpening solutions. What we like? With its 3-stage sharpening system and a specialized blade for scissors, this tool handles all your blade needs. The enhanced suction base provides superior stability, making it safe and convenient for everyone. If you're looking for a versatile sharpener that can tackle knives and scissors with ease and offers exceptional stability, this is the one for you. What people say? The sharpening angle is fixed at 20 degrees, which is ideal for most Western-style knives. It features 3 stages of sharpening: coarse, fine, and polishing, allowing for a complete sharpening process. The non-slip base ensures stability during use, preventing accidents. Number 3. Sharp Pebble Whetstone Knife Sharpener. Tired of intimidating whetstones? Our included angle guide makes professional knife sharpening foolproof, even for beginners. Get sharp results without the hassle. Unlike cheap stones that wear out quickly, ours is built to last. Its durable composition cuts faster, stays flat longer, and ensures consistent edges. Invest in quality that outlasts the competition. Everything you need is included: a dual grit whetstone, angle guide, and more. It's a water-based system, so no messy oil is required. Get a complete setup right out of the box. Repair dull edges with the 1000 grit side and achieve a razor-sharp polish with the 6000 grit side. This versatile combination handles most home sharpening needs effectively. Maintain your entire knife collection for less than one professional sharpening. It sharpens everything from kitchen knives to scissors, delivering edges that last. Achieve razor-sharp edges quickly and easily. The non-slip base ensures safety and stability while you sharpen. It's the perfect tool for home cooks and professionals alike. What we like. This Whetstone sharpener comes with an angle guide, making it foolproof for beginners to achieve professional results. The dual grit stone covers most sharpening needs, from repair to a razor-sharp finish. If you're new to knife sharpening or want to avoid the guesswork and mess of traditional whetstones, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The sharpener is easy to use and produces a sharp edge quickly. It has a compact design that doesn't take up much counter space. The different sharpening angles allow for versatility with various knife types. Number 2. Work Sharp Guided Field Sharpener. Introducing the ultimate compact sharpening tool, designed for sportsmen. It's your go-to solution for keeping blades sharp, whether you're in the field, at home, or in the shop. This versatile tool includes diamond plates, ceramic rods, and a leather strop, all with built-in sharpening guides. The ceramic rod even rotates for coarse and fine honing, plus a special groove for sharpening fish hooks. Achieve a perfect edge with a consistent 20 to 25 degree angle, customizable with 5 different abrasives. It's self-contained, requiring no tools or setup, making it ideal for any outdoor adventure. We stand behind our products with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. Each sharpener is meticulously designed and quality checked at our Oregon facility. Designed, engineered, and calibrated right here in Ashland, Oregon. We ensure the highest quality by sourcing from top manufacturers, both domestically and globally. What we like. Designed for the outdoorsman, this sharpener is compact, durable, and field-ready with multiple abrasives. It includes diamond plates, ceramic rods, and a leather strop, plus a grooved surface for fish hooks. If you're an avid camper, hiker, or sportsman who needs a reliable sharpening solution on the go, this is an essential tool to pack. What people say. The sharpener has a very sturdy construction and feels durable. It sharpens knives quickly and effectively, restoring a sharp edge in just a few passes. The different sharpening angles are clearly marked and easy to adjust, allowing for precise sharpening of various blade types. Number 1. Work Sharp Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener Kit. Achieve unparalleled precision with our angle-guided sharpening system. The innovative jig and clamp design makes manual sharpening faster, easier, and more accurate than ever before. Easily adjust the sharpening angle from 15 to 30 degrees in single-degree increments. This allows you to reprofile blades or create a perfectly polished edge on all your favorite knives, including serrated ones. Quickly switch between coarse and fine diamond, and fine ceramic stones. Customize your sharpening needs with this versatile rod, all secured safely by our V-block clamp. This tool is meticulously designed, engineered, and calibrated in our Oregon facility. We ensure the highest quality by standing behind our products with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. Experience professional-grade sharpening with a tool built for durability and performance. We are proud to offer a product that meets the highest standards of quality and craftsmanship. What we like. This system offers precise, adjustable, and repeatable sharpening angles from 15 to 30 degrees. Its tri-abrasive rod allows you to quickly switch between coarse and fine abrasives. If you demand precision in your sharpening, want to customize the angle for different blades, or need a reliable system for both kitchen and pocket knives, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This sharpener works great and it's easy to use. I love how quickly it sharpens my knives. It makes them like new again. The design is very ergonomic and comfortable to hold. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.